resources to meet the basic needs of millions of households affected by these devastating floods. We had to dish out about $316 million through a program by the name of Benazir Income Support Program to provide an amount of $113 per household to about 3 million households in flood-affected areas. And now, winter is setting in, and we need to provide shelter, homes, medical treatment, and food package to these millions of people in different provinces of Pakistan, for which we are spending billions of rupees from our own meager resources. Now imagine, ladies and gentlemen, on one hand, we have to cater for our food security for the common man by spending billions of dollars. And on the other, we have to spend billions of dollars to protect flood-affected people from further miseries and difficulties. How on earth can one expect from us that we will undertake this gigantic task on our own? Of course, we are thankful to international community for helping us in this difficult time, coming to our rescue through donations and through stuff which have been shipped through air freights and of course through sea routes. But the gap is humongous. The gap is widening by the day. Therefore, it is the duty and responsibility of Global North to understand our difficulties and our plight. We wouldn't want that tomorrow, God forbid, some other country should become a victim of this disaster, and I call it man-made disaster. It is extremely important that if we have to fight and rebuild and repair our infrastructure and adapt it, then of course we can only do through additional funding, not through additional. Because this would be a financial death trap. I hope this conference will not only listen to this message loud and clear, but convey this to all who have the power and financial muscle to change the course of history